Practice time. Indu's pencil is 15 centimeter long. Jyoti's pencil is 8 centimeter long. Whose pencil is longer? How much longer? We have to find. First write Indu's pencil 15 centimeter, then Jyoti's pencil 8 centimeter. Now we have to subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7. We have to take borrow from 1, then it's 0. So the answer is 7 centimeter. So Indu's pencil is longer by 7 centimeter. Now next sum. Ask your papa or mummy price of 1 kilogram salt rupees. Then price of 1 kilogram sugar. So price of 1 kilogram salt rupees 22 and price of 1 kilogram sugar is rupees 10. Now which one is more costly? How much more does it cost? So subtraction. Now 22 minus 10, answer is 12. So sugar cost more than salt by rupees 12. Now next sum. Ajay cooked chapatis in 25 minutes. Then he made dal in 15 minutes. How much time did he take to cook both things? Means add time taken for chapati 25 minutes. Time taken to make dal 15 minutes. So the answer is 40 minutes. You can see. So total time taken to make both things is 40 minutes. Now Chanchal sells school sweaters in 2 days. She sold some red, blue and grey colored sweaters. Sweaters sold on first day 38, 66, 74. Sweaters sold on second day 40, 23, 89. Look at the above and answer the following. How many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in 2 days? Now for grey sweaters in 2 days. So we have to add 74 and 89. 4 plus 9, 13. So 3 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So the answer is 163. Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters in 2 days? So first count red sweaters, then blue sweaters. Red sweaters 38 plus 40, 78. And blue sweaters 66 plus 23. So answer is 89. So the answer is no. She did not sell more red sweaters than blue sweaters. Now how many red and grey sweaters did she sell on the first day? More than 120 or less than 120? Take the right answer. Now first day red sweater 38 and grey 74. 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. So 112 is the answer. Means it is less than 120. Now next, how many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? More than 140 or less than 140? Take the right answer. So for second day, you can add red 40, blue 23, grey 89. Now add 3 plus 9, 12. So 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So the answer is 152. Means more than 140. Now is Sangeeta right? Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. She looked at the prices. And said to her grandpa, "Ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits." Okay. So here you can see for first sum, price of ghee 127, then biscuit 25. So you can do subtraction and the answer is 102. So Sangeeta is right. Now second, price of oil and ghee all together is more than rupees 200. Price of oil and ghee. If we add, then the answer is 197 and it is less than 200, not more than 200. Answer is wrong. Now price of ghee and 10 kilogram rice is less than 300. Okay, let's check. Price of ghee price of rice, you can see 127 and 150 rice price. So the answer is 277 and it is less than 300. So the answer is right. Oil cost rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuit. So oil cost 70 and biscuit 25, you can see. So we cannot subtract 5 from 0. So cut 0 and write 10 because we have to take borrow from 7. So it's 6. So 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. And it's 45. So Sangeeta is wrong. Can you find this without using paper and pencil? Can you find? So you can try at your home. Now here, story problems. Nisha and Sonu were making story problems. Nisha said 30 boys and 40 girls in a class. Sonu, can you make a problem on it? Sonu wrote, there are 13 boys and 14 girls in class. How many students are there altogether? You can also make story problems with your friends. Look at each picture and the words next to it. Write your problem below it. So here we have to just write story problems. Addition or subtraction not required. 36 men and 52 women waiting for their turn. So you can write there are 36 men and 52 women waiting for their turn. How many people are waiting? Next, we have our midday meal in 20 minutes and play for 15 minutes. So you can write we have our midday meal in 20 minutes and play for 15 minutes. What is the total time we spend on having our midday meal and playing? Next, the post office is 1 kilometer from Sahid's home and 2 kilometers from his school. So we can write the post office is 1 kilometer from Sahid's home and 2 kilometers from his school. How far is Shahid's home from his school? Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has read 34 books. Bunty has read 27 books and Bubbly has 34 books. How many more books has Bubbly read than Bunty? Next, count to subtract. Dolma bought 4 dozen 48 bananas and gave one to each of her friends. 30 bananas were left. How many friends got a banana? As you know, this can be found by counting forward from 13. It is easier to count in jumps of 10. You can also use Kittu's home, shown on page number 29 to solve these problems. Okay, 48 minus 13. So start from 13, then 10 jump. 23, 33, 43. And the answer is 48. So in 5 jump. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So the answer is 35. So 48 minus 13 is 35. So like this method, you can do these sums also. 56 minus 37. So first start from 37, 10 jump. Now 57. So one jump backward, one step backward means minus 1. So 10 plus 10 minus 1, 19. So 56 minus 37 is 19. Now for this sum, 5 plus 10, 15. So 60 minus 45, 15. Now here also means we start from 59, then add 1. So it's 60. Then 10 jump, 70, 80. 1 plus 10 plus 10, 21. And the answer is 21. Now like this method, you can do all these sums. Now here, all the king's horses. Once there was a king who could count only up to 9. Up to what number can you count? The king loved horses, but he could never count all of them. He kept them in such a way that he needed to count only up to 9 from each side. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So if we count, then how many horses in all did the king have? If you count, then there are 24 horses. Now next, one day a visitor with 4 horses came he there. It was getting dark, so he wanted to stay there at night, but the horsekeeper was scared. If the king saw these extra horses, he would be very angry. The visitor said, "Do not worry, the king will never know." So he arranged the horses like this. So if you count these horses, then how many horses are there now? 28. At night, the king came to count the horses. Along each side, he counted 9 horses. "Ah, that's fine," he said. Then he happily went to sleep. So here you can see, in the morning, the clever visitor tried another trick. He took out his own 4 horses, but he also ran away with some of the king's horses. He left the king's horses standing in this way. The silly king did not find any horse missing. Can you help him? Okay, here you can see how many horses are now left. So if you count, so there are 20 horses. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. How many of the king's horses were taken away? So total horses, we know that 24, then minus 20. So the answer is 4, means 4 horses were taken away. Now here, what numbers are we? If you add us both, you get 100. The difference between us is also 100. So the numbers are 100 and 0. If you add 100 plus 0, then 100. Subtract, then 100 minus 0 is 100. Okay.